But yeah, so we got our pullback here. We got our higher high, higher close. We rallied up to structure. We hit structure and then we came back down. So if you're someone that's still looking for a trend continuation opportunity, it's easy to say, hey, we're back at where we started. I should just get in now. And this is where you want to be very careful with your predictions. Because you look at this and you got to ask yourself the question, has the move been made? And the answer may vary depending on you and your analysis. But for me, the move has been made, right? Because the move that I expect from this level, this pullback right here, is a move back up the previous structure. Price has done that. Because price has done that, I no longer expect price to do that again. Therefore, if I no longer expect price to do that again, do I want to put myself in a situation where I'm buying down here, and in order to make profit, I need it to come up here? And many traders will look at this and say, yeah, but if you think about it and break it down for a minute, what you're doing in this situation is you're making a move, you're placing a trade in the market where the idea for each trade is, obviously you want to take good trades, but the idea is to make profit. In this particular scenario, in order to make profit, the market has to do something that you don't actually think it's going to do. And the question you need to ask yourself is, does that make sense? Does that make sense? Does it make sense to bet on a team that you don't think is going to win? Does it make sense to bet on the Patriots? Probably not. So sometimes we have to use a little bit of common sense in the market before we place our moves, and that's going to keep us out of a lot of trouble. Now, I would say this: if you have a different prediction, if you're a someone that's maybe more of a true trend continuation trader, and you're saying, hey, you know what? My expectation isn't that the market will go here. My expectation is that it will break here and go higher, right? Because the philosophy of a trend continuation trader is different than a counter trend trader, right? Typically, a trend continuation trader, their mindset is that price is going to break structure. Like, structure is there to be broken. Price is going to break structure. I believe in the almighty extension. Where a counter trend trader is kind of like, I think structure is going to hold. I think structure is going to hold. I think structure is going to hold. It's like that book. What's that? Not a book, but well, we have the book. But it's one of those Disney movies with all the feelings and stuff. There's like anger and fear and like I forgot what it's called, but one of those Disney movies where they have all the little things. It's not. We want to watch Elemental. It's not Elemental, but it's I forgot what it is. But it's funny hearing all those things debate, because fear is the excitement one is like, yeah, let's do it, let's do this, yeah, jump off that tree, blah 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 blah, and then like they go to fear, and fear is like, well, we should probably think about this. And then like sad, they go to sad. Sad's like, I'm going to be very angry if we don't jump because it's so much fun. But I'm also going to be angry if I don't hurt myself. I'm just angry because I don't know what to do. Yeah, inside out. Inside out. Right? That is like the difference between trend continuation and counter trend traders. Counter trend traders are more like the fear, where it's like, yeah, there's a brick wall there, and if we run into that brick wall, I think we're gonna not be able to get through it. So we probably should respect the brick wall. And then your trend continuation traders are like the fun one. Yeah, let's run through that brick wall. We'll bust right through, and there's so much cool stuff on the other side. I can't wait to see it. Just different philosophies. So that's why your philosophy on the market will shift, or will depend on, or will influence, sorry, I'm having brain farts, I'm getting old, birthday, right? They will influence your prediction. And this is, again, why you can have two different traders. If Brendan says, Tom says, yep, the almighty trend continuation, that's me. That's why me and Tom could look at this chart and see two different stories. I can see, hey, move has been made. I want no parts of this. toxic, woo, 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 stay away. Where Tom's like, oh man, look at that upside potential. Oh, you're telling me 124 even to keel, and we're trading at 122 90s? Oh, baby, right? It's two different people, two different types of traders, two different views and philosophies on the market, two different opinions. And eventually two different outcomes on trades, whether it's a no trade or a trade. And the question is, who's right, who's wrong? Because the internet always wants to tell you one person is right and one person is wrong. The answer is they're both right. Because both traders are sticking to their philosophy. They're going through their own IPDE, that process, and that process tells them different things. And eventually they're following their plan. And if you follow your plan, you are right. Win, lose, or draw. But for a newer trader, it's always interesting to hear and see, because it's difficult to be like, well, I was looking at this and saw that, but then this person over there said this, and now I'm confused. How could it be that and this? Akil, which one's right? And I'm like, yeah, both. And you're like, what? Right? And you go crazy because we're taught in life there has to be, right, black or white. There has to be a right answer or a wrong answer. And the truth is, there's not. Well, there is, but it varies from person to person, trader to trader. There is one right answer, though. Don't bet on the Patriots.
As retail traders gain more and more access to data and platforms that used to only be locked behind institutional banks, as well as having incredible technology available at their fingertips, there's no denying that today there's more opportunity than ever to make vast sums of money and build wealth through trading. However, with accessibility comes great responsibility, and in the wrong hands or the uninitiated hands, it can have the reverse effect. It's never been easier to lose every penny that you've accumulated too. So at Tier 1 Trading, a company renowned for generously giving traders the truth, we're going to give you a roadmap and guidelines so that those of you who really and truly want to be successful traders can all benefit from the incredible time we live in right now. We're going to run a comprehensive free workshop over 4 days to cover everything that you need to know about making a success in your trading. So join me and the other incredible trading coaches at Tier 1 Trading by securing your space now, and we really look forward to seeing you there. This is going to be an event that will accelerate your trading beyond belief. So register your space now and we'll see you there.